Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create an FTP account in Bluehost. I'm now inside Bluehost, and to create your FTP account, simply click on Hosting from this left side menu. Then scroll down to Quick Links and hit this cPanel button. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online university today for free. Inside this university, you get multiple online courses that can help you with your online business. These online courses include this one about Bluehost, where you can learn many things including how to set up your website on Bluehost, how to manage your email account, domain name, optimize your website performance, and also billing and account management. To get all of this for free today, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Let's go back to our tutorial. Now that we are inside cPanel, scroll down to Files, then click on FTP Accounts. Now fill in your username, for example, Ben. Select your domain from this list. Then create a strong password that you can remember. Here, select the directory you want to access after your FTP login. I will go with access to this directory of this website. For quota, I recommend you to go with unlimited and hit this create FTP account button. As you see, my FTP account was created successfully. Now click on configure FTP client to get your FTP username, FTP server, and also the FTP port. For the password, if you don't remember it, just click on this change password, then fill in your new password. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave your comment below. Thank you.